What is PI insurance construction? There are similarities between landlord's property insurance and other types of insurance that pertain to property. It is important to have landlord insurance, and that is the case if you have one property as much as it is the case if you have a million. If you are renting a property out, then you need to make sure you have appropriate landlord's insurance in place. If you don't, then tenant problems can easily put you in a position whereby you cannot cover your overheads. There are various elements to landlord's insurance, and the elements that you get covered for are indicators of cost. The more you want to be covered for, the more your premium is going to be. One thing is for sure: you want to be covered for the losses you would suffer if you were buggered about by tenants. Then you will want that all-important rent money covered. Be aware, if you are a landlord, that you need to find out about certain elements of cover that are likely to be relative to business insurance, which makes sense with being a landlord being a business. Ideally, the combination of both that you end up will cover you against all eventualities. No one is blessed with the ability to be able to predict an accident, so all that you can realistically do is prevent them. This does not always work though, and there is every chance that some torpedo-saddled tenant could burn your property to the ground. In the event of this happening, you will want landlord property insurance that covers the cost of the building being rebuilt. It is also advantageous to be covered for the cost of losing rent money whilst your property is being rebuilt. When it comes to getting landlord insurance, it pays to research the market and find out what you do and do not need to be covered for. Only then can you start looking at policies and surmise which one is the best for you. It is always good, for instance, to get legal cover so that you do not have to pay legal fees when you have to take non-paying tenants to court.